In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in FlexClip. Let's walk through the full process from starting a project to exporting a polished video with a clean, professional watermark. First, open the FlexClip website and start a fresh project by selecting Create New Video. This gives you a blank workspace with a timeline or storyboard at the bottom and a preview canvas in the center. Next, bring in the footage you want to protect. Click Media, then upload your video file. Once it appears in your library, drag it down to the timeline or storyboard so it becomes the base of your edit. Now it's time to prepare the watermark itself. Still in the media panel, upload your logo or image. A PNG file with a transparent background works best because it sits neatly over your footage without a boxy edge. Add the watermark to the screen by dragging that logo from the library onto the canvas. You'll see it appear above your video layer, ready for placement. Position and size it so it's visible but not intrusive. Click the logo and drag the corner handles to scale it down, then move it to a common safe spot like the top right or bottom right corner. Aim for a consistent margin from the edges so it doesn't look cramped or off-center. If your footage has captions or lower thirds, keep the watermark away from those areas. To make it subtle and professional, adjust its transparency. With the watermark selected, lower the opacity until it blends nicely. Somewhere around 30 to 70% usually looks good. You want it noticeable enough to establish ownership, but not so bold that it distracts from the story. Ensure the watermark lasts as long as your video. On the timeline, extend the watermark layer so it spans the entire duration. If the project has multiple scenes or clips, make sure the watermark covers them all seamlessly. Before you finalize, preview the result. Hit play and watch for a few seconds on different shots. Confirm the size, placement, and opacity feel consistent, and that nothing important is covered. When you're happy, export your video. Click Export. Choose the quality that matches your needs and generate the final file. Higher quality preserves crisp edges on your logo, while smaller files upload faster. Download your video and you're done. Your content now carries a clean, consistent watermark.